There are many plants that can be easily propagated in water, and we all love keeping plants inside the house. So I will show you the best plants that will easily grow in water in no time. Among the plants, lucky bamboo comes first when it comes to propagation in water. So these plants are easily propagated in water, and they started rooting within about 7 to 8 days. So you will have to keep it in indirect sunlight. If you are keeping it near a windowsill, that will be the best thing. So this is number one, lucky bamboo. So they will put roots, and you can either keep them for a long time in water as a decoration, as an indoor plant, or else you can put them in pot. Spider plants. Spider plants root within a very short period by spiderets cuttings. So this comes number 2 as indoor plant, and you can easily propagate them in water, and they root very well, and you can cut them and put them in the water bottles or glasses. See, they will root very easily. So out of my list, spider plants come the second. And in the queue, I got these money plants propagated in water. These plants are very beautiful as indoor plants, decorations also, and they do very well in water. So you can easily propagate them by cuttings, and see for this small root, and put them in water and leave it near a windowsill. They will do wonders in growing. Syngonium plants are wonderful indoor plants, and their green leaves makes the place very beautiful and green. So try adding some syngoniums out of cuttings and keep them in water, and there's no harm, and they will also can be easily propagated in water. That is another plant that you can easily propagate by water. So this is the last one, Phyllodandrum, and they also loves to be in water, and you can easily propagate them in the water jars or bottles. So keep the bottles always fresh. The water should be fresh. That is a must do thing. And see that you keep the plants in indirect sunlight. Best option is keeping them near a windowsill. So hope you enjoyed the video and find it very useful. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.